best player in college football. He can do everything, might be the best running back pick.
Don't ever catch him
in the 2021 NFL Draft.
Before you get there, you gotta start here. Dynasty U is giving you the tools to go forward. At the DU Invitational, we're sparking NIL conversations, connecting with the NFLPA, and prepping you for college camps. We have partnered with the largest family-owned auto group in Atlanta because we believe in investing in the youth. Did I forget to mention we're NCAA certified? DU Invitation, powered by Jim Ellis. April 30th in Atlanta, Georgia. See you April 30th.